Good morning, everyone. It's Ty here with PPL Motorhomes in Cleburne, Texas. Got another one today. It's T175 37-foot 2017 Cherokee Wolfpack toy hauler. You're gonna start on the outside. We'll work our way inside. Start up in the front. You got your electric jack, 2 propane tanks, batteries from 2025. Got a little, oh, it's just dew up top there. A little bit of storage goes all the way through. 50-amp power cord that comes with the unit. Dual entry. Some cable hookups. 110 plugs. Outside TV mount. Speakers. Awning looks in pretty good shape. So we can get a date code on the tires. 2020. Small minor dents in the body, nothing major. A little ding there. Back of the garage. Backup camera already installed. Your gas tank. Fuel pump switch. 50-amp power cord hookup. Fresh water connection, city water connection, outside shower, cable TV hookups. Seal's looking in pretty good shape. No soft spots on the floor. Outside looks good. Go check out the inside. Check the bedroom out first. Got the generator switch there. Storage closet. Storage up top. Goes all the way across. .110 plugs, USB plugs there. Other side of the closet. 110 USB plugs there. Storage on this side. Looks like there may have been a little leak there at one point. TV mount there. Storage there. Flat screen TV. 110 plugs. Couch has a little peeling going on to it. Need a new couch. 3-burner stove top, convection microwave. Lots of storage up top. More storage. More storage there. Your water pump, water heater switch, tank levels. Nice deep sink. More storage in your owner's manuals. More storage. 10 plugs there. Thermostat. Nice size shower. Some storage for towels. Storage in the medicine cabinet. A little bit stored underneath the sink. 110 plugs. In the garage area. Oh, glad we got some light in here. Storage through here. Got 110 plugs, cable plugs, and mount a TV. Bed drops down. Couch is looking in good shape. Got some USB plugs. Couches aren't peeling. Couch looks good also. Garage area's been taken care of. Your second AC. Not seeing any signs of leaks on the roof anywhere. This is a 37-foot 2017 Cherokee Wolfpack. My name's Ty, sales professional here at PPL Motorhomes in Cleveland, Texas. Give us a call with any questions or come see us. Thanks for watching.